Ladies and gentlemen, for the flight take this first Osher speaking number 3 for departure, 510 sweets to see for takeoff.
Only pond 5, heavy wind 260 at 6, RNAV to Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 24 left, clear for takeoff on your pond 5 heavy.
Delta 2269 Altair, cautioning turbulence, traffic will cross, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
Delta 2269, line up and wait, 24 left.
Compass 6051, wind 250 at 5, RNAV to Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 24 left, RNAV to Delray, compass 6051.
JetBlue 488 Altair, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
Runway 24 left, JetBlue 488. Hold short 24 left and move forward for S2601.
JetBlue 488, wind 250 at 6, RNAV to Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Delray, clear for takeoff, 24 left, JetBlue 488.
Delta 2269, contact Socal departure, good day.
2269, so long.
West at 1423, we're ready to go, runway 24 left at Echo 7, line up and wait.
Line up point 24 left at Echo 7, west at 1423.
Thank you, compass 6051, contact Socal departure, have a good day.
Socal, compass 6051, good day.
West at 1423, wind 240 at 7, RNAV to Delray, runway 24 left at Echo 7, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 24 left at Echo 7, west at 1423.
To Altair traffic department intersection, runway 24 left, full length, line up and wait, be ready to go.
24 left, full length, line up and wait, American 2 will be ready.
Blue 488, contact Socal departure, good day.
Blue 488, good day. Socal, JetBlue 488, 1200 climbing 5000.
JetBlue 488, Socal departure, contact climbing to 1000.
I'm going to 12,000, JetBlue 488. Socal departure, good afternoon, Aeromexico 783, 1,500 to altitude 5,000, Panda 1, RNAV departure, RNAV departure.
Good afternoon, Aeromexico 783, Socal departure, contact maintain 25 knots.
Radar contact, maintain 250 knots, Aeromexico 783.
So 783, turn left, direct PV.
Turn left, direct PV, Aeromexico 783.
Number 2269, contact Philly Center 12527.
2269, 2527, so long.
Good day.
8,000. Climb maintain 8,000, west at 1423.
Blue 48, turn left, direct Clipper, climb via SIT, accept maintain 15,000.
Left direct Clipper, and climb via the SIT, accept maintain 15,000, JetBlue 488.
Blue 48, confirm left turn, please.
Left turn, direct Clipper, JetBlue 488.
Thank you.
Arch American 2, 1.5, 5.
American 2, Socal departure, contact climbing to 12,000.
Under 12,000, American 2.
Aeromexico 783, climbing to 12,000.
Climb maintain, altitude 12,000, Aeromexico 783.